Hope you guys are ready because this is going to be the second part of making a 40% all brass keyboard for Pearlboards. Guys, we have our pieces of brass completely chopped up into perfect sections to be able to run a Pearl base. This massive chunk right here is about to go in to that VF2 on the 4th axis. You guys have no clue how excited I am about this project here. This is my first biggest piece of an all brass anything. So I'm pretty stoked. If you want me to be honest, those other brass pieces came out absolutely delicious, those lids. Check it out. Look at this. What? Dude, are you kidding me? Oh my God. I know we've done this plenty of times out of aluminum, but brass, like chill. Here's the bead blasted piece that the customer unfortunately wanted bead blasted. I had such a tough time saying that last video, but here is the bead blasted piece. I just can't get over it. And they actually started to like take like a sort of a patina effect to them. I don't know if you guys can see it. I try my best to set up the camera. It's not the best lighting today, but we're working with it. We're just gonna leave these guys here. I don't know if you can see how big these chunks are, man. Oh, like legit, like this has to weigh at least 22 pounds. It has to weigh a lot. Let's weigh one of these stock pieces really fast before we cut out all the material and all that good stuff. Let's get this guy set up. Let me make sure you can see everything on camera. All right, we'll tear it at 0. Okay, it's already on pounds. All right, I'm guessing 22 pounds. I could be hella off. Well, let's see. 22 pounds, guys. Okay, I'm hella off. This is 13 pounds. And you know what? That's still a lot. I just touched it. 13.2 pounds, that's still a lot. Let's add this one, 26. Oh my God, 39. So we're about to cut 39 pounds of brass. We'll do the math and see exactly how many pounds of chips we've created versus the ending weight of the base of the keyboard. Now, with that being said, I am going to deburr these by hand and I'm going to prepare them to go inside of the VF2. So most likely I won't be able to do much talking because when the machines are on, it's super loud and you know, I don't know how that really comes across on audio, but I know it could be annoying for you guys. If you're really liking these videos, do me a solid favor. This is a mid-video plug, a shameless plug. We have an Instagram account, CAD Lab Official. You can check out Surface's account on Instagram. It's just straight Surfaces. You can check out our Discord channel, CAD Lab CNC, where we have a small community that is filled with nothing but the best and kind-hearted people inside of that community. There's no trash talking about anybody. There's no negative energy. It's just an awesome place to be at, to be able to be free and talk about new builds, keyboards, keycaps, whatever you want. It's just the Discord that we've created between us and all the community members is just absolutely a blessing. And I love being there. I love chatting with you guys. Of course, if you're on this YouTube channel already and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, baby. What are you waiting for? No, honestly, guys, hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to us. We're gonna be dropping CAD Lab t-shirts. We do an anodized finish. We call it the party paint. And that is the t-shirts that we're coming out with. The design is very complicated. It's like they have to unstitch it and sub-laminate it in the front, sub-laminate it on the back, and then stitch it together. So the design that we have the shirt has to come apart and then it has to be sub-laminated and then put back together. So there's a lot of stuff going in the middle of that. It's not just a, you know, stick on and boom, we're done, like our work shirts. We will have our OG work shirts available if you guys want to buy that and get that going. That would be amazing. That helps us out a lot. You know, keep the lights on, keep the cameras running, keep the spindles turning. You know how that goes. I do want to make one more announcement. And for those who don't watch the video all the way through, I feel so bad for you. We're going to be giving away one of these. Yeah, I know, right? Super crazy. We have one more part of this video that we have to get through. That's going to be the switch plate, and that's going to be the weight where we're going to drop all the tea. We're going to let everything out right there and how you are able to join this free giveaway. Let's get it going, baby. Have done it. We have made a top and a base 40% all brass keyboard. I know you see that, right? Look at that. This was actually super sketchy because there's so much material missing in the middle that we wanted to run the mill nice and slow and not spin it as much to create vibration. So we slowed down the spindle, slowed down the speed, and that seemed to work just fine, decreasing the vibration on the actual surface of this base with all this material cut out here. This came out 10 times better than what I thought it was. Not that I doubt myself, but I'm a machinist. There's 1,000 ways you can mess something up in the machine, and there's 1,000 ways that you can mess something up just programming it. It's a very long and painful journey becoming a machinist. I am very thankful that this came out beautiful and everything worked out. Now here's the kicker. We want to do a third video. I want to do a video machining the weight for this guy, and then at the same time add bonus footage of us cutting out the switch plate on the VF4. If you guys get me to 50 likes, I will do a third video with bonus footage of us cutting the switch plate. That's right. We need 50 likes, a comment down below, all gold, everything. If you guys could do that for me, then I will go ahead and make another video, the third and final video of the base being cut and polished, and then we will do the switch plate on the VF4. We'll set up the GoPro and we'll just let it run. We'll show you guys a little bit of the program and the cam side before we stick it in the machine. But guys, if you want us to run a third video absolutely completing this 40% Pearl all brass deliciousness, then let's get this video to 50 likes. And I need you guys to comment down below, all gold, everything. I love you guys. I catch you on the next one if you guys make it happen.